What's up, guys? So today is super exciting for me because we just got our samples in and we did just have a release, except a couple of the things, including the t-shirt and the hoodie, are still for pre-order, and that's because I wanted to get these perfect. Because we're like past that point of printing our logo on a branded tee or a branded hoodie. We don't do blanks here, okay? It's full custom cut and sew, which means we get to choose all of the material, start from square one, every single panel, the sizing. I'll show you guys my tech packs. And what a tech pack basically means is it is like a concept of your design, but you have to be super specific on the sizing from the chest, the shoulder, cuff length, cuff circumference, arm circumference, sleeve length, like everything is chosen by you, by the measurement. I already kind of took a peek at some of the merch, but we're gonna be opening this together and show you guys what we got. This sun is literally right in my face. Okay, a little bit better. We actually have this new hat sample. I will show you this as well because this is the most custom hat we've ever made for the brand. So first things first, we got the Throne shirts. So the thing about ordering samples is finding the right manufacturer. So I actually went through a couple of manufacturers to see what each could come up with. And also the thing about finding the right manufacturer is it's super rare that you get the right one at the beginning. You do have to invest a little bit of money and also ask for samples. I went out of my way and asked for custom samples, which does cost you a little bit more, but you get a better sense and a better idea of the concept that you give them. So this is the Throne shirt, and like they got the logo. I can already see some things that I would change when I give them the final specs and also order the bulk. But we got the new M56 designed KMR logo on the back. There's a little writing on the top neck area in the back as well that says Throne was never empty. So that's one of them. This is the shirt that I prefer actually. It's a little bit heavier in GSM, and GSM basically stands for grams per square meter. So the higher the GSM, the heavier the material. One of the manufacturers actually gave me 3 different sizes with the custom images. So I'm not gonna open all of these up because I'm already kind of leaning towards one of the manufacturers. These ones in particular are the hoodies. I can already tell by the feel, this is hella heavy. And that's what I want for my hoodies is like if you're gonna be putting up your hood, I don't want it to be such a thin material that it just falls back down. I want it to hold its shape. I am a hoodie person. I just love wearing hoodies, pullovers specifically. But it's the idea of putting something on and just being comfortable in it. And what it reminds me of, especially a heavyweight hoodie, it's like a weighted blanket that you're wearing around. This one in particular, I asked for 450 GSM. That is heavy. On the back, we got a new saying, embody excellence until the world cannot help but look. Make of that what you will. We got a new Kings Must Rise logo on the sleeve, and on the front, a little bit different. Like we usually put our logo on the bottom of the back area, but this time I wanted the logo to be on the front, kind of like a symbol, like a Superman symbol, you know? But I'm gonna show you like the full details of this because this is super custom. Like the way they created this hoodie and the way I spec'd it out is way different from your regular blank. Just like by feeling it, holding it, and looking at it, they did a really good job. That is just one of the manufacturers. We got another one here. I made sure to order from different people. The idea, especially when you're ordering custom cut and sew, is first off, like so many factors. You wanna make sure that they are up to date and pretty decently fast with response time. You obviously wanna get your best bang for the buck without compromising the quality. So some manufacturers will have you spending a little more than the others, but if they can respond promptly, if it's easy to talk to them about like changes that you want to make midway through the production, and also you're looking for the best quality too. Again, it's rare that you get it right the first time, so like invest a little bit of money, ask for samples. Most of them can do custom samples, which do take a little bit longer, which was this case. But yeah, here is the other hoodie. Make you a little more wide angle. All right, let's check this out. Sick. Hold up, wait, what? We're already missing the front pockets. These guys weren't able to do it. We got the saying in the back. The sizing of the image looks decent. The size of the hoodie is insane though, what? Okay, that's way bigger than I imagined. But the thing about this hoodie though, is if you look really closely, I specifically asked for no strings. This is supposed to be one of those like high overlapping collar designs. So it'll make you look like a ninja. You got the Kingsman Straps logo on the back of the hood. Yeah, I am comparing hoods. This one is like oversized, which might actually be really cool. These guys got the first image that I wanted on the sleeve, which says Overdrive, because this is the Overdrive hoodie. Imperial Achiever delivering in solitude. I just kind of came up with that saying. Well, it's okay, we still got time to make changes. Just a little bit of selfless self-promotion, guys. These are available for pre-order. I'll throw them on to give you guys a better idea of what they do look like or what they could look like. And then once I have them on, show you guys the finer details that separate this custom cut and sew pullover from any other hoodie that you will probably put on yourself. Test this out. All right, this is the Throne shirt. Specifically asked for drop shoulders so you can see the sleeves go a little lower than your regular average tee. But I also asked them to add a cuff here to kind of close the sleeve and also add a little more length. The back logo, probably lower that just a little bit, but everything looks pretty decent. But yeah, I like the length. All right, let's try a hoodie. What's up, buddy? Overdrive hoodie. Damn. This thing has such a large hood. This is crazy. Okay. What? They actually failed to put the pockets in the front for this one. But that's the thing, is like on your regular hoodie, you'd have a kangaroo type pocket where it's like its own separate panel that goes on top, but then you'll have the seams super visible. So that would have been impossible to put this logo on the front. They kind of didn't give me the pockets, but that's okay. These guys still added the thumb hole on the cuff, which I love. Kind of gives you that ninja look. Logo placement on the front is where it should be for a medium. But let's throw on the other one. So this is why, guys, sample first, then make changes after. Let's try our next hoodie. Ooh, this is heavier to the feel comparing it with the other one. Okay. Not as large of a hood. Which honestly, I think the other one's way too big. Look at the cuff length on this one. That's way more ninja, no? I like that. And then you can just kind of like make the sleeves baggy because of this. Of course, they added the thumb holes for the cuffs, which is like a staple signature in our hoodies. I like to have thumb holes in our cuffs, you know? Separates us from other brands. I actually really like the fit of this hoodie. These guys added pockets. You don't just have that one seam down the middle on the side. You have two, so that means this is a separate panel that they had to stitch just to give you the front pockets. But I did ask for this, front hidden pockets, just so we can still rep the big ass logo on their front. And I love hoodies that can just hold their shape like this. They can just stay up like that, you know? I think these guys definitely understood the assignment. The hood is the perfect circumference. It's not squishing your face. You still got the overlapping front collar part. And like I said, I like heavier weight hoodies because even if you put the hood down, it holds its shape. Actually, so nice to wear. Oh, beautiful. Now we just gotta take photos with this thing, no? That's why like getting multiple samples, if you can get like 3 to 4, and then take the right parts from every single one, combine them together and send that to the best manufacturer with the cheapest pricing, the fastest response rate, that'll give you the best quality that you're looking for, then you got yourself a winning product. It's the hidden pockets for me, man. And also like, yo, those cuffs though. Show my bro. Yeah. Check it out. This is the new hoodie. Like full custom cut and sew. Front hidden pockets. Like the collar hood. But yeah, this is pretty insane. And it's like very heavy. I'm gonna lay these down on the table and show you guys the finer details. A shot for the story. So let's take a closer look at both of these. This particular one with the oversized hood, they got the right front logo. But now I'm looking at it, I like this one so much more. Right logo, but this one has the right hood sizing and much better feel. And I love the elongated cuffs. And that is why you get multiple samples. Everything else looks pretty decent. Both sporting the KMR logo on the left arm, but this one's just a little bit bigger, which I prefer. And looking at the actual cut, this one has one seam going down the underside of the arm, whereas this one is multiple. I think there's one extra panel here. Gives it so much more depth, you know? On the front, they both got the overlapping collar part, perfect. And I can see how they actually like also add just an extra panel here to give you that overlap look. But this one looks like you can actually fold it, whereas this one, it's fully stitched in. But this is the one with the hidden pocket in the front. Look at that detail though. What other hoodie will you see sporting this, man? No one ever does this. Everyone needs pockets. And guys, let's show you the hat. Here, I'll let my brother open that. You can see all of the details I put into this one, bro. Got a gold rope on the front, the new M56 redesign logo, KMR on the side, it says throne on the back, and then one of our other sayings, there will never be another you embroidered. Isn't that crazy? Got like panel liners there, super custom, and then our own hat label as well. All spec'd out using New Era measurements. Because I've ordered hats before from manufacturers overseas, and they were like Asian sizing, and it hurt to wear, and they were just tiny. So kind of felt bad for the people with bigger heads that ordered those specific hats, but this one is gonna be comfortable for anybody. Plus it's a snapback, so adjustable. It's clean. Thanks, bro. Clean and simple. That's it. Going back to basics. Cool. What do you think, man? But that's not all. Also, guys, this is what you want from your manufacturers. They actually gave me a whole sample book of all the different fabrics and Pantones that you can get from their factory, which is amazing. We got the Kelly green right there. That is the perfect shade too. Love to play around with the neons eventually. But I also really want like an earthy tone, so might play around with some of the beiges and the browns. Big shout outs to the supplier that gave me this with a hoodie, and actually it was the hoodie that we prefer, this one. A little bit of secret sauce for you guys. Always ask for a catalog or like a fabric samples book. Got new KMR rubber jet tags. And this thing I'm actually hella excited about. Check it out. Our own custom polymer bandanas. Me personally, I love wearing headbands and bandanas, so I think this was a given. It was bound to happen. Yeah, tons of Easter eggs in this design, and obviously being an artist, I designed it myself. It does have elements of paisley, but I mixed that in with like floral filigree design. So it's a little mix of everything, you know? The Easter eggs I'm talking about, if you look closely, there's like Kingdom Hearts keyblades, there's Akatsuki clouds, tons of different variations of the KMR logo on this one. So, and these are actually available, ready to ship for anyone who wants their own KMR bandana, the first of its kind on our website. It is the 4th and final quarter of the year, and I want to finish strong. So I know Black Friday is actually coming up. I'm probably just gonna, for the rest of the night, work on computer stuff, get all of the email marketing, all the content I need for it, and also like the SMS messages predetermined before Black Friday. These in particular are not going to be on sale, but I may give away free shipping just for 1 or 2 days for Black Friday weekend. But yeah, that is the rest of our night. And then tomorrow actually is photo shoot day, so gather even more content for the socials and finally take really high quality professional photos of the new apparel. Got my coffee. Let's get to some computer work.